Hey guys, it's Amma back with another video, and today I'm going to do an inspired Dominik Szoboszlai hairstyle. Now let's be honest, even though my team Liverpool have not been the best this season, there's no doubt that he has been an absolute standout player, one of if not the best player for Liverpool this season. He's got energy, confidence, presence and a really good hairstyle, and he also has aura as well. And just before we get started guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair tips to upgrade your style. So what I love about Szoboszlai's hairstyle is that it's not overstyled. It's simple, masculine, confident. Essentially it's just a clean, relaxed slick back. Nothing greasy or stiff, just control. And that's exactly what we are going for today. Just a quick breakdown of my hair. I've got anywhere between 6 to 8 inches on the top, around 3 to 4 inches on the side, and I've also grown out the back. I myself have fine hair, so if you do have fine hair, the goal is to use lightweight products, just because if you go too heavy, it will weigh down the hair. So just to start off, I'm going to use the sea salt spray. Sea salt spray is important because it gives your hair grit, volume, natural movement. And then the cream styler just locks that in. It allows for lightweight natural movement. Just to start off guys, make sure that your hair is damp. I'm just going to use some of this Slick Gorilla sea salt spray. Don't just spray the tops, try and get it into the roots. Once that's done, you really want to use your fingers to work that sea salt spray and just make sure that you're lifting the hair up slightly. Ideally guys, you can use a brush for direction, but I wouldn't at this moment. Just try and use your hands to really build that volume as much as you can. Why? Because Szoboszlai's hair is relaxed and not overly structured. Also, this may weigh down your hair, especially when you spent so much time and effort building that volume, especially in the roots. You just want to make sure that you are evenly distributing that product in your hair. You're really building that volume. And don't forget the tips that I've taught you guys in terms of tilting your head down and blow drying your hair up, or tilting your head backwards with the hair dryer in front. Once that's done and you've evenly distributed the product into your hair, we are going to go in with the cream styler. If you've got fine hair like myself, a little bit goes a long way. Squeeze out a small amount, rub it between your palms and distribute it evenly throughout the hair. Notice I'm not pushing it straight back flat, I'm lifting it slightly and then guiding that back. That's what gives you the laid back finish. Now in terms of adjusting the shape, you can use a brush or a comb if you want to guide the hair. And there you have it guys, that's the final look. And honestly, this hairstyle matches Szoboszlai's personality this season. As I'm doing the tutorial, I'm sure you'll notice that I have my Liverpool kit on, always supporting them. You can see from this hairstyle, it's high energy, it's clean, it's confident. Even though Liverpool aren't playing the best this season, Szoboszlai has been one of my favorite players. So it's amazing to get an opportunity to do this hairstyle today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please do leave a comment in the comment section if there's anyone that you want me to do next. If you haven't seen the Zayn Malik hairstyle tutorial I did last week, I'm going to leave it over here. I'll see you there.